Hi, I'm Jess, the Senior Designer in Orange Interior. I'm excited to show you this beautiful Japandi 5-room HDB jumbo flat. Let's get right into it. As you enter the home, we introduce pattern tiles at the entrance, giving a space a unique character that ties into the Japandi theme. The kitchen features an open and closed concept, allowing flexibility for cooking and hosting. The layout ensures the space feels airy while still providing ample functionality for the family needs. Our client came to us with a clear design brief. They wanted a Japandi-inspired concept that is bright, spacious, and functional, with playful fluted details, pattern tiles, and an open and closed concept for the kitchen. For the living room, we focus on maximizing space while incorporating clever storage solutions to meet their household's needs. We added soft curved details throughout the design, making the space both child-friendly and inviting. The pantry area is a key highlight, a convenient spot for the family to access to their water dispenser or coffee machine while spending quality time in the living and dining area. The master bedroom was designed as a personal retreat. We added a walk-in wardrobe for extra storage and a luxurious master bath, featuring an onsen-style bathtub. The natural wood tone and curved element bring a sense of calm and harmony to the space, perfect for unwinding after a long day. One significant transformation was hacking down the existing passageway between bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 to create a large storeroom. This change was necessary to accommodate the family storage need without compromising the spacious feel of the home. The entire home features a wood and natural tone palette, creating a serene and grounded atmosphere. The Japandi concept is highly versatile and can easily be applied to reuse condo or HDB flat. This renovation took around 5 months as we focused heavily on detailed carpentry works to ensure every element was just right. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you are looking to design and renovate, be it landed, HDB, condo, or commercial, you may book an appointment with us in the link in the description.